other side. I think I gotta redo the other side.
I left my screwdriver for you.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this video and I'll continue after I'm done, after I get it off. Alright, so I'm back. Almost got this out. This would have worked so much better if we had a vise. Alright. That's how we do it. Next we gotta hit the inner race out. And also this one here, and replace them. My hands are so dirty. Alright, this is my setup here. Using an extension and a hammer. Then I hit the race right there and hit it out. So I already got most of the part of the way down. I have to put it on this. So this way it doesn't sit flat on the ground because you won't get it out. So I'm about to hit it out and on to the next step. Alright, so as you can see, it's down there. Got that one out. So now we have to do this one right here. We're gonna flip it upside down and do the same procedure. This little lip right here, you'll hit it down. And you want to get something to brace started on. And after that you hit it out and you replace it with the new ones. This would be so much easier if you had a vise. Oh, there, it already came out. So, there's the other race. There's the other one. Alright, both of the races out. Now we're going to try to install the brand new ones. Might have to use the press to press it in. Alright. Here we are now. Now we're going to press the new bearing race inside. So, make sure this is clean. Alright, we have that set. You want to keep the old bearing race because we're going to use that to press this in. I couldn't find anything. I don't have anything that size that I can actually use, so use the old bearing race. Put a flat plate on top, then another bearing here. Make sure this is all the way up. Let's see, can I find something else? Alright, that's my setup. Now I'm about to press it. That other bearing, that race will get stuck. It's easy to come out though. Once it's pressed in, release it. Let's take this down. Do apologize for the bad recording. 16 out. Oh, it actually came out. Last one I did got stuck. Alright, so it's not fully seated yet, so we're still gonna have to press it some more. Alright, I found an old bearing that will work, so you'll sit this on top of your race. Where did my flat plate go? Set this here. Got it right there. So now it's fully seated. Now your other inner race that we used is going to get stuck. So now just flip it over and take a screwdriver and tap it up. Jeez, I'm dropping everything. Alright, so it's in there. You just take a screwdriver and hit the gap right here from the other side and just knock it out. Here we go again. So that's the other race that's stuck in there now. This little gap right here, we're just going to tap it and hit that race out. Alright, there we go. Both of our races installed. Sorry, I didn't show you how I installed the other one. I just used the tool that I had. Special tool with a little, just goes on the top and you just hammer it on. Anyways, that's pretty much how you do that. Now it's just to reinstall everything, put everything back together. I would recommend that you use gear oil to lubricate your bearings, because this sits in gear oil anyway, so you don't want to use regular grease. Slowly. Alright, so like I said, we're going to use gear oil to lubricate our bearings. I kind of missed it a little bit there. Okay, that should be good. And this goes and sits in the back. This is the back bearing. It sits down in the race. Now we're going to install our seal wherever I put it. Alright, this just gets hammered on. Kind of need both of my hands for this, but you kind of understand what needs to be done. You just put this on and just hammer it down. Alright, so I had to use both of my hands to put it on, but now we're just going to hammer it all the way down, all the way around. Alright. Alright. Once you got your bearing back on, you'll put the hub back on the shaft. Now we're going to install the front bearing. Also do the same thing. I'm going to put some oil on it. That's good. Okay, now we're going to put our locking nut back on. Oh, thank you. So there's a little tab right here. Has to line up into this notch.